Okay, so we are gonna discuss about how do we say 10, 20, 30, like that till 100. Okay, so we are just gonna discuss about this. Okay, so let's begin acting. Okay, so what do we call 10? I have told you, I hope you are able to recall it. Okay, this is yesit. Yesit. 10 is yesit. Okay, I hope you are able to recall this. Okay, what is 20? 20 I've just taught you this week. Okay, so this is dwatset. Dwatset. Okay, dwatset. Okay, this is 20. Okay, what is 30? 30 is tritsat. 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 Okay, 10, 20, 30, you know, we have, I have told you, we have revised it again and again. I hope you have learned it by heart. Okay, if not, do it. Okay, so what is 10, 20, 30, you know. Now what is new? This is from 40 to 100. These are new words, okay, for you. So what is 40? 40 is sorak. 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 Once again, sorak. Sorak. This is 40. Now what is 50? 50 is pidisyat. 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 Okay, this is 50. Once again, pidisyat. Pidisyat. Okay, sometimes in Russian it's like what we say, it's not always what we write. I mean, what I hope you are able to see the spellings. I mean, they write yeah, okay, after p, but they don't pronounce it like that. Okay, this is pidisyat. Okay, so that's why pronunciation matters a lot in Russian. Okay, so now move on to number 60. Okay, well, how do we say 60 in Russian? 60 is shizdesiat. 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 Again, why I tell you, I mean, stress about the pronunciation, because it matters a lot in Russian, very, very much to me. It's very important. Okay, so 60, once again, shizdesiat. 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 Okay, shizdesiat. This is 60. Okay. Okay, now move on to 70. 70 is semdesyat. 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 Easier, right? This is well, we have written only, so it's easier for you to catch. Okay, so this is semdesyat. Now what is 80? 80 is восемьдесят. Восемьдесят. Once again, восемьдесят. Восемьдесят. Okay, восемьдесят is 80. Okay, now what is 90? 90 is двеноста. 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 Once again, двеноста. Двеноста. Okay, двеноста. That is 90. Now what is 100? 100 is сто. 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 Here, although we have written the same, I mean, this is the same bunch of letters over here, but here it's sta and here it's to because of the stress sign. Okay, so if it's not on O, so it's automatically A. The O is pronounced as A, so here it's pronounced as A and here as O only. Okay, so this is двеноста. Двеноста. Okay, and this is сто. Сто. Okay, so okay, let's pronounce it once again. Okay, so this is десять. Десять. Двадцать. 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 Тридцать. Тридцать. Сорок. Сорок. Пятьдесят. Пятьдесят. Шестьдесят. Шестьдесят. 70. 70, 80, 80, 90, 90, 100, 100. Okay, so let's pronounce it once again, and this time you're gonna pronounce it with me. Okay, so let's see you are able to pronounce it or not. Okay, so this is Dwesit, Desit, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay, so okay, since we have done from 10 to 100, okay, so let's revise from 1 to 10. Okay. Okay, so let's revise that again. So how do we say 1? 1 is Adin, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10. Okay, till 10 we have done. Now from 11 to 20. Okay, so that is 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 15, 16, 17, 18, 18. Okay, 18. Although this is 8 is wasim, but 18 is wasim. Okay, so this I mean these things you have to I mean these are very important things, so you have to memorize it. Okay, so okay, let's move on to from 15. Okay, so that was 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Now what is 30? 30 is 30. Sorry, we were on 20. Okay, so 20 is 20. Okay, so 19 till 19, and that is after that. That's it. Okay, not 30. I mean, actually, from 20 to 30, the order, I mean, that is just like from 21. We have discussed, like I have discussed it with you. So after that 21, after 20, I mean, whatever comes, you just have to add on the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the same. Okay, like we have discussed it. 20, Adin, 20, 2, 20, 3, 20, 4, 20, 5, 20, 6, 20, 7, 20, 8, 20. Do comment below. Okay, so and let me know that you have understood this or not, and if you still have any type of issue regarding any of the numbers, or you want to discuss more about the numbers. I mean, you want more clarity about this. I mean, you want to discuss 31, 32, 33 and all that. I mean, like serial wise from 1 to 100, like if every number you want to discuss, you want a class on this topic. I mean, like I have to elaborate everything. I mean, I have to explain it like 41, 42, 43, whatever like that. If you want that video, I can make it. So you'll get clarity not about the numbers. I mean, about the pronunciation part. If you want that, do let me know in the comment section. And okay, let's just take a quick revision of this 10, 20, 30 till 100, and then we are done. Okay, so this is 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 90, Sorry. Due no sta. Due no sta. Okay. Sto. Sto. Okay. So sometimes even because of the tongue twister nature of this language, I mean, anyone can get confused, right? So it's a human nature. And uh, okay, so now we are done with the numbers. If still you have any type of dilemma in any of the number, or you want a separate class like I told you, okay, so if you want that, do let me know in the comment section. And from my side it's done. Okay, so let me know about from your side whatever you say. Okay, so okay, meet you in the next class. Until then, do memorize this because it's very important. And till then, bye bye. До свидания и до встречи. Bye bye.